Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. If you've been keeping an eye on the camper van market, you've probably noticed a growing trend toward compact, smart, and highly functional vehicles that can serve as both daily drivers and weekend adventure rigs. And now, Honda has officially entered the camper game with the all-new 2026 Honda Camper Van. It's a vehicle that blends practicality with innovation in a uniquely Honda way, delivering versatility, comfort, and performance all rolled into one stylish package. Let's start by talking about what makes this camper van stand out. At its core, the 2026 Honda Camper Van is based on a modified version of the popular Honda Step WGN platform, which is known in Asian markets for its spacious interior and smooth ride. But for this camper variant, Honda has taken things several steps further, outfitting it with a suite of upgrades specifically designed for the travel and adventure lifestyle. We're talking about foldable sleeping arrangements, integrated storage solutions, and even some light off-road capability, all packaged in a sleek, manageable frame that's ideal for city driving as much as for long road trips. Under the hood, the camper van is equipped with Honda's proven 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, a combination of a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with Honda's latest electric motor system. This delivers around 190 horsepower, which is more than sufficient for a vehicle of this size. What's important here is the balance between power and efficiency. Thanks to the hybrid system, the camper van offers an impressive fuel economy rating, estimated at around 38 miles per gallon, which is a big deal when you're trying to stretch your journey without constantly refueling. It also features Honda's eCVT transmission, which ensures smooth acceleration and low noise levels, especially handy when you're driving through remote areas and just want to enjoy the peace. Performance-wise, the van isn't meant to be a rock crawler, but it holds its own on dirt trails and uneven terrain. There's optional all-wheel drive for those who want to venture a little farther off the beaten path, and Honda has slightly raised the ground clearance to accommodate light off-roading. The steering is precise, and suspension tuning has been calibrated to absorb bumps and dips without jostling passengers or cargo. Overall, it offers a refined ride, more akin to an SUV than a traditional boxy van. Now let's shift focus to the interior, arguably the most exciting part for camper van fans. Honda has taken a modular approach to the interior design, allowing users to convert the seating area into a sleeping platform in under 5 minutes. The rear bench folds flat into a double bed, and there's an optional pop-up roof variant that adds headroom and sleeping space for 2 more people. It's not quite as spacious as a full-size RV, but for a van this compact, it's surprisingly comfortable. The materials used inside are thoughtfully chosen. Surfaces are easy to clean, resistant to spills, and durable enough to withstand the wear and tear of life on the road. Storage is a major highlight. There are cleverly placed drawers and compartments underneath the seats, built-in shelving units on the walls, and even an optional slide-out kitchen at the rear, complete with a single burner stove, a small sink, and a mini fridge powered by a secondary battery system. That means you can cook, clean, and chill drinks all while parked at your favorite campsite. Speaking of electricity, the van includes an integrated solar panel system on the roof, which powers interior lighting, USB charging ports, and some small appliances when off-grid. There's also a 1000W inverter for added flexibility. For those who plan longer boondocking trips, there's the option to upgrade to a larger battery pack that can support things like portable heaters or more powerful kitchen gadgets. Technology is another area where Honda shines. The 2026 camper van comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice navigation, and real-time traffic updates. There's also a rear-view camera system with 360-degree surround views, making parking this thing in tight spots much easier than you'd expect. The dashboard has been simplified for ease of use, and there's a new digital instrument cluster that provides real-time feedback on fuel efficiency, battery usage, and route planning, particularly helpful for planning long road trips. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The van comes standard with Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. For families or solo travelers alike, these features offer peace of mind when cruising highways or maneuvering through unfamiliar backroads. In terms of design, the exterior of the 2026 Honda Camper Van is refreshingly modern. It has a clean, aerodynamic shape with minimal overhangs, LED lighting all around, and a subtle yet adventurous stance. There's a new grille design unique to the camper trim, and the rear hatch opens wide to allow full access to the back. You can also get it with optional roof rails and bike racks, perfect for hauling outdoor gear. Another small but thoughtful detail: Honda includes bug screens for the sliding doors and rear hatch, allowing for airflow without inviting nature inside. Combine that with the built-in window shades and thermal insulation, and you've got a cozy, private space that stays comfortable in a variety of weather conditions. What really sets the 2026 Honda camper van apart, though, is its practicality. It's compact enough to use as a daily driver, which can't be said for many camper vans or RVs. It fits in a standard parking space, gets better fuel economy than larger vans, and is easy to drive even for those who aren't used to operating large vehicles. And thanks to Honda's reputation for reliability, you know it's built to last for many adventures to come. To sum it up, the 2026 Honda camper van hits a sweet spot for travelers who want freedom without compromise. It combines comfort, tech, and clever design in a size that works for urban streets and forest trails alike. Whether you're a solo van lifer, a couple exploring national parks, or a family looking for weekend getaways, this camper offers something valuable. It may not have the size of a Class B or C motorhome, but it brings the spirit of adventure to a more accessible level, economical, innovative, and ready for the road ahead.